Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're introducing the ultimate solution for high-reach cleaning the window squeegee with a 12FT extension pole. This professional telescoping window cleaning pole extends up to 12 or 15 feet, providing a strong and lightweight reach for all your high cleaning needs. No more ladders needed. The twist-on water flow through brush head and 4 or 5-stage extension pole let you safely clean up to 15 plus feet from the ground. Made from durable aluminum with black anodizing and a non-slip sponge handle, this cleaning kit is designed to last. The PP bristle brush, full brass hose connector, and nylon angle adapter ensure flexibility and effectiveness. For added convenience, it includes a 100 ml soap dispenser. Easily switch between water and soapy water and adjust the mixing ratio to enhance your cleaning power. The microfiber window squeegee with scrubber removes dirt and grime effortlessly, thanks to its flexibility at multiple angles. Whether it's high windows, solar panels, or other hard-to-reach areas, this versatile telescopic pole handles it all with ease. Get the window squeegee with 12FT extension pole today and transform your high-reach cleaning tasks.